Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your Snapchat username. This isn't like other tutorials where they tell you to email Snapchat or other things along those lines. This is a brand new feature that Snapchat has announced, which finally lets you change your username. So Snapchatters can finally get rid of the embarrassing username they made when they were a young teenager. You should now be able to see my Snapchat screen. I'm currently just recording my desk. The first thing you want to do is just press your Bitmoji in the top left hand corner. Now you're in this menu, you want to press the settings cog in the top right hand menu. From here, you can see it lists your name. Now this is just your display name, that is not what I'm teaching you how to change. I'm going to be teaching you how to change your username. So right now my username is GoRegKing, and all I want to do is just press on the username section. From here, as you can see, I have a change username button. It's a small blue button underneath the text box. I'm just going to press that button. You're being warned that you can only change your username once a year, so you want to make sure that when you're changing your username, you pick something that you want. So I recommend maybe just picking your name or something along those lines so you won't regret it in the future. Now you just need to press continue. Now, as you can see, you can now change your username to anything you want. Once you've picked your brand new username, I'm just going to make my username the Tech Textbook, as my website is thetechtextbook.com. From here, we can just press next. You now need to confirm your password. I'm going to type this in now and blur it out. Now I've entered my password, I'm just going to press confirm. And it's going to ask me to confirm once again. You need to make sure that you are okay with this username because you won't be able to change it for another year. I'm happy with this username change, so I'm just going to press continue. And here we are. You have a brand new username on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was useful. If it was, please consider subscribing, as I'd love to hit 10,000 subscribers. If you found this video helpful, I also recommend liking it, as it will boost the video in the algorithm and hopefully get this video out to more people so they can change their Snapchat username. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video.